So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the functions in SQL, that what is mean by the functions and is it important about the functions in the SQL, and what about the functions and why it is used. Everything we are going to cover in this video guys. So if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the function guys. Okay, so yeah, first of all, what is mean by the function? Okay, so functions in SQL are the database objects that contains a set of SQL statement to perform a specific task, a function. Okay, so which accept the input parameters, performs actions and run it the result. Okay, so this is the simple using which we understood about that what is meant by functions. Okay, so now we are going to see about the types of the functions. Okay, now here you can get cleared about what is meant by the function. Okay, so basically there are the two types, as system defined function and the user defined function. Okay, now this answer if you're not cleared yet right now, then here you will clear definitely. Okay, system defined functions, these are built-in functions. Okay, example, this is an function rand and round and the upper, lower, count, sum. Okay, so basically if we talk about the functions will be like there are the reserved keys. Okay, there are the reserved keys in the SQL, like example rand, round, upper, lower, these are the reserved keys, and these are the not reserved keys which we can create the key as, like example add, subtraction. We can create the keys and we can define it and we can get the output easily. Okay, so yeah, second part is about the user defined a function. Okay, so once you define a function, you can call it the same way as they built in the function. Okay, I have told right now as about the addition. Okay, so once you have created the addition function, so using the addition name you can once again you can call your function. Okay, using that name addition and in the curly and the brackets. Okay, so this was all about the functions. Okay, now you will get more cleared using this example. Okay, so most used functions. Okay, so functions are like string functions are used to perform an operation on input string and return an output string. Okay, so basically the functions are like we have to give an input to the function and it will perform on it and it will give an output. Okay, this input and the output will be present in the form of string. Okay, so yeah, now we will see with the simple example. Okay, so this is an example of the upper. Okay, which converts the value of a field to the uppercase. Okay, like example I have the values in the small letters as A, B, C, D. Okay, so basically using this function, this is an reserved function which is present in the SQL, and using this function we can convert this lower to uppercase as ABC. Okay, so just I will give you with a simple example. Okay, yeah, so first of all I will show you that our table looks like this. Okay, so here you can see that here are the some letters in the uppercase. As you can see that first letter is the uppercase and all about are in the lowercase. Okay, so I want to convert this all the names into the totally uppercase, in the totally capital letters. Okay, so for that there is an upper function. Okay, so just this syntax looks like this, and just select it and run it, and here you can see that it converted lowercase to the totally uppercase. Here you can't see any lowercase alphabetics. Okay, so we are going to see now about the next part, about the lower. Okay, so basically it converts upper to lower or lower to lower. Okay, so like example now we have shown about the capital transformation of the capital. Now we are going to see about the lowercase. Okay, so instead of upper we have to write here only lower, and here we have to run, and here you can see here all the letters has came in the lower letters. Okay, so next part is about the length. Now I want to check in this column that this first name contains how many letters. Okay, so for that simply I will write here length function, and in which I want to calculate the length of the name column, and I will write here name. Okay, so basically I have written the 2 times name because here you can get the values length of the column. Okay, like John is about the 4 letters, then you will get the output here 4, and here in the name column here you can get his name. Okay, as I told you, here you can get the name length, as John Doe contains 8 letters. Okay, and the Jane Smith contains 10 letters. Okay, so this is all about the length, how to calculate the length of the letters. Okay, so yeah, so this you can try this all, just that is and simple, and just that's it. We have shown all about the functions, about the string functions in the SQL today. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.